YouTube, what's going on? It's Tez. We back with another video with the single turbo 335 here, as y'all can see, and we're going to be installing some low beam headlight bulbs on my 335. This video is definitely sponsored by AUXBEAM. I want to give a huge shout out to the guys over there and the team at AUXBEAM for reaching out to me and you know, sending me these headlight bulbs to test out. So I appreciate the love. I'm going to leave a link in the description for any of you guys that want to purchase these bulbs. I've researched them and looked them up. They're amazing. So the main purpose of these low beam bulbs is to pretty much, they have like a different color tone to them, and they're much brighter than the stock low beams on these cars. Then the xenon ones, I don't really know too much in detail about headlight bulbs and whatnot, but I do know a little something. So we're going to be installing them to see how much of a difference it makes with them and whatnot. So yeah, and I have a single turbo 335. If this is like your first time coming to the channel, got a single turbo 335 dual tile wastegates down there. As you can see, it's one right there, and I think one underneath the turbo. It's a Borg Warner. It's full bolt on. The car's on 93 right now. So I could turn it up, add a second fuel pump. Has port injection on it, but I have it turned off for the time being until I add my second fuel pump. I turn a port on, so it's just a matter of time. But this video is focused on AUXBEAM. Once again, huge shout out to AUXBEAM sending me these headlight bulbs to try out. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for a discount. I don't know how much the discount is going to be. I haven't really went into it or had time to look at it to see how much it's going to be. So I'm gonna just leave it in the description if y'all want to purchase these after this video. By all means, that's going to support me, and I appreciate all the love and support. So let's get into it. I don't know if there's anything that I missed, but pretty much we just gonna be installing these headlight bulbs, bro. This video is simple, straight to the point. We in Georgia. I'm sweating, hot, but we're gonna get into it. All right, we got that out. That's the cover look like. So here's that bulb right here, stock xenon. I don't know if it says it. Stock xenon bulb, low beam. And these aren't bad, but they have like a yellowish white hue to them. And these AUXBEAM ones look a whole lot different. So I'm gonna hold on to those. I might keep them for the time being. So yeah, these are the new ones right here. As you can see, let me see if I can sit them right there next to this, the OEM ones. See if y'all can tell the difference. So this is an LED bulb. As you can see, there is no like bulb specifically on there. All right, so we're gonna be swapping this out for that. Oh, another thing I wanted to point out before I threw this this bulb in, I don't know if you can see on the back of it, it has like a fan on it, I guess to keep the board cool that it has in it, because it's all electronic, it's all LED. So that fan is going to turn on and keep the bulb cool. I don't know if you can see the board in between there, but yeah, so it has this fan on it to keep the bulb cool, and that's just another little neat thing that it comes with. So this is the one with the like you could tell, like look at my hand, it's white. This is the AUXBEAM LED bulb right there. All right, so we got the other one out. As you can see, got the fan on the back. Boom. These are the D1SR LEDs. I don't know if y'all can see them. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. AUXBEAM. All right, y'all, so we installed both the low beam bulbs. These are two xenon ones right here. You see, this one look newer than this one, but either way it go, these are both still good, so I'm gonna just probably keep them. And another thing, they also sent underneath for me to have to put somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I'll probably use it. That's dope. Once again, huge shout out to AUXBEAM for this. For sure. Something I wasn't expecting to get, but it just shows that, you know, my hard work is, you know, isn't going unnoticed. So I definitely appreciate that. Let me go turn on the lights to make sure this one turns on. Yeah, man, that's the install video. I appreciate everybody being, you know, patient with me. I am gonna be having like way more crazier videos, vlogs, racing crazy cars, like when I turn this car up. But right now I'm chilling, just making little videos here and there until I get some stuff to clear up this month with that whole accident situation. So yeah, I appreciate y'all following me on Instagram, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so this is what it looked like at night.